Hi everyone, in this video you'll learn what are CSS text color, alignment and formatting properties and how they are used. CSS provides a wide range of properties for formatting text, as you can see in this code. This example shows how we are applying the color, text align, and text transform properties to the H1 element, and the color, text align and text decoration properties to the P element, as you can see in this preview. Text color. The color property in CSS is used to set the color of the text, as you can see in this code. And you can see the preview here. You can specify the color using named colors, hexadecimal values, RGB values, RGBA values for transparency, HSL values, or HSLA values. Please check the video description to find links to our tutorials explaining these color values. In this example, the text color of the heading is set using a hex value, which gives a specific shade of blue. The text color of the paragraph is set using an RGB value, which gives a specific shade of green. Text color and background color. CSS provides properties to set the color of the text and the background color of an element. As you can see in this code, we are giving a specific text color and a background color to this heading element. And here we are giving different text colors and background colors to these paragraphs. Having the paragraph and highlight classes. These properties help in enhancing the readability and aesthetics of your web page. Text alignment and text direction. Now we'll look at some text alignment and text direction properties. Text align. Sets the horizontal alignment of text within an element. Text align last. Specifies how the last line of a block, or a line right before a forced line break is aligned. When text align is justified. Direction. Sets the text direction to left to right or right to left. Unicode BD. Used in conjunction with the direction property to set or return whether the text should be overridden to support multiple languages in the same document. Vertical align. Sets the vertical alignment of an inline or table cell element. CSS text alignment. The text align property in CSS is used to set the horizontal alignment of text within an element. It can be applied to block-level elements like div, p, h1, etc. to control how the inline content is aligned within the element. Here you can see a list of common values for text align property. Left. Aligns the text to the left, as you can see in this code. And you can see the preview here. Right. Aligns the text to the right, as you can see in this code. And you can see the preview here. Center. Centers the text, as you can see in this code. And you can see the preview here. Justify. Stretches the text so that each line has equal width like in newspapers and magazines, as you can see in this code. And you can see the preview here. Text align last. The text align last property in CSS specifies how to align the last line of a block or a line just before a forced line break, as you can see in this code. And you can see the preview here. Text direction. The direction and Unicode BD properties can be used to alter the text direction of an element, as you can see in this code. In this example, the text inside the RTL text div will be rendered from right to left, as you can see in this preview, while the text inside the LTR text div will be rendered from left to right, as you can see in this preview. Vertical alignment. The vertical align property sets the vertical alignment of an element, as you can see this code. This property can be used to align an inline element to the baseline of its parent or to adjust its position within a line box. In this example, each image element with a corresponding class A, B, C, D, and E will have its vertical alignment set according to the specified value of the vertical align property. And you can see the preview here. CSS Text Decoration. Text decoration refers to the styling of text elements to enhance their appearance or convey specific formatting effects. Here are some key properties related to text decoration in CSS. Text decoration line, text decoration color, text decoration style, text decoration thickness, and text decoration. Now we'll look at each of them with example. Underline. This class applies an underline to the text by using the value underline in the text decoration line property. As you can see in this preview, this class applies an overline to the text by using the value overline in the text decoration line property. As you can see in this preview, line through. This class applies a line through to the text by using the value line through in the text decoration line property. As you can see in this preview, this class applies both an underline and an overline to the text by using the values underline and overline in the text decoration line property. As you can see in this preview. Styled. This class applies a wavy, red underline to the text by using the values underline, wavy, and red in the text decoration line, style, and color properties respectively. As you can see in this preview. Thick. This class applies a thick, blue underline to the text by using the text decoration thickness and the text decoration color property. As you can see in this preview. None. This class removes the decoration from the text by using the value none in the text decoration property. As you can see in this preview. Text transformation. The text transform property in CSS is used to control the capitalization of text. As you can see in this code, this class will transform the text to uppercase by using the value uppercase in the text transform property, as you can see in this preview. This class will transform the text to lowercase by using the value lowercase in the text transform property, as you can see in this preview. This class will capitalize the text by using the value capitalize in the text transform property, as you can see in this preview. Text spacing. Here's a concise description of text spacing properties in CSS. Letter spacing. Specifies the space between characters in a text. Line height. Specifies the height of each line of text. Text indent. Specifies the indentation of the first line in a text block. White space. Specifies how to handle white space inside an element. Word spacing. Specifies the space between words in a text. This is an example code demonstrating text spacing properties in CSS. And you can see the preview here. Text shadow. The text shadow property in CSS adds shadow to the text. As you can see in this code. And you can see the preview here. You can specify the horizontal and vertical offsets, blur radius, and color of the shadow. This was all about the CSS text color, alignment and formatting properties. Please check the video description for more information. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos.